In GTA 3, NPCs are completely oblivious to rain. They just go on their daily lives as usual. NPCs will never hide under shelter and wait, but it makes sense. Because in GTA 3 it rains indoors too. Here's another example. It's raining through the wall. Vice City NPCs also don't mind the rain. Like this dude walking around in a fancy suit and shoes. Or this idiot carrying a camera while it's raining. But what about people at the beach? Let's see if they react when it rains. NPCs get up and walk away. But simply keep walking. And nothing will stop these joggers from getting their workout. Unlike GTA 3, it doesn't rain under shelter. In San Andreas, NPCs will strike random conversations in the middle of a store. And the homies will throw random gang signs to establish dominance. Even street dealers refuse to take a break. The only NPCs that react to rain are the ones at the beach. But again, they simply get up and walk away. In GTA 4, NPCs will often run and hide from the rain. They also fold their arms to protect against the cold. They will also protect themselves with various objects. A journal in this case. Many NPCs can be seen holding umbrellas. GTA 4 NPCs never pick up their umbrellas once dropped. But that's okay, they can spawn another one. Many NPCs can be spotted hiding under shelter. Here's another example. Now here's an insane detail that'll blow your mind. You see these dudes holding a camera? They protect it when it rains. But to be fair, they don't do it all the time. And while most NPCs will run to find shelter, others simply won't care at all. And convertible drivers won't mind their car getting wet. In GTA 5, people will never seek shelter from rain. They will simply walk in a hurried pace. Gangsters will casually have a smoke. Others will hang out in a street corner. People driving convertibles will actually raise their roof when it starts raining. Beautiful. People hanging in the sun will get up and leave when it rains. Let's see if swimmers react to rain. He just kept swimming. This savage has no fear. And just like previous GTA games, when it rains, beaches become deserted. Claude never reacts to rain. But seriously, this dude can't even speak, let alone react to the environment. The same thing applies to Versetti. Whether it's sunny or raining, he simply stands there. CJ doesn't react to rain either, disappointed. Nico reacts to rain in various ways. Let's check him out. Reaction 1. Feeling the rain with his hand. Reaction 2. Shaking the rain off his clothes. Reaction 3. Clearing the water off his ears. Reaction 4. Cleaning his hands and hair. Also, notice the breathing caused by the cold. Unfortunately, GTA 5 characters don't react to rain at all. Let's see the effects rain has on cars. Cars are easy to control despite rain in GTA 3. It's slightly more slippery, but cars remain easy to control. Also, notice how the wheels have no effects on wet roads, except for the tire marks. Vice City practically has the same handling as GTA 3. Cars still grip very well to the road despite rain. And unlike GTA 3, wheels have a subtle effect on road water.
Hey, can I get something to eat here? Give me the special. I'm hungry here. Whatever, I'm starving here.
NPC cars don't have any effect on road water either, like GTA 3. In San Andreas, driving is a bit more slippery when it's raining. It's a little easier to lose control during a drift. And unlike 3 and Vice City, wheels emit some water mist when driving. The road can become very slippery in GTA 4. It's much easier to lose control driving on a wet surface. The car tires realistically emit water splash. The water splash also depends on the vehicle's direction. Let's see it up close. The road also gets a bit slippery in GTA 5, but way less than GTA 4. And vehicles remain easily controllable. The water splash effect is also very convincing. In GTA 3, water never accumulates on the roads. No water equals no reflections. And car lights are also not reflected on the road. Vice City has the same behavior as 3. No puddles from on the road, and lights are not reflected. In San Andreas, puddles of water don't form on roads either. But lights are correctly reflected on wet surfaces. Most light sources are reflected, like the traffic lights here. Unlike San Andreas, the road doesn't reflect light in GTA 4. No reflection. Wet surfaces do have reflections though, as can be observed on this car's hood. In GTA 5, puddles of water accumulate on roads, and car light reflections are well done. Pretty. Rain puddles also evaporate with time. And gone. Which GTA game has the best rain effect?